Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to start with our new lesson of science, that is 17th lesson, which is electric current and its effect. Children, you have already heard of some of these words, that is electric current and all these things. But today we will discuss what exactly is electric current. You are knowing that like whenever any light energy or whenever any sound energy is being created or heat energy is being created, that means something must be flowing through the wires, is it not? And what is this something? Something is nothing but here the energy which moves on through the electric wires. Okay, so that is what we will discuss here. So what is electric current? Electric current basically has got electrical energy. Whatever which flows to the wire, that is nothing but electric current. Okay, and electrical energy, it gets converted into heat and light energy, and then only the current flows through it. Okay, you have to remember that electrical energy, whenever we connect any circuit, any switch, what happens? Electricity starts flowing through that wires, and when the when the flow of this energy is there, electrical energy is there, it gets converted into heat energy and light energy, and then the current flows through the wires. Okay, always remember, current will flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal. Current will always flow from positive terminal to the negative terminal. You have already seen a cell, that is what we will discuss afterwards. Okay, now let us see what is electric circuit. Okay, arrangement where an electric current flows in a conductor when connected to a source. Now, arrangement of various components have been done, and when that electric current flows through that various components, that is cell, switch and all, then that is called as electric circuit. Okay, whenever that arrangement is done, a properly arrangement, switch has been put on, then to it cell is connected, and all these things has been done, that arrangement is called as electric circuit. Okay, so there is a little bit difference. When arrangement is meant, that is called as electric circuit, and whenever current flows through it, whenever energy flows through it, that is called as electric current. Okay, now there are certain components of electric circuit. Okay, what are the components, what are the parts, what are the things which are being included in the electric circuit to form that arrangement? What are the components? So there are basically four. Switch is, cell is there, second is switch, third is bulb, and fourth is conducting wires. Now we will discuss about cell. See children, basically cell is represented like this. You have already seen the cells, pencil cells which are used in watches and all, wall clocks, is it not? So over there or in torch you are using, or in some other like this appliances you keep on using with the cells, is it not? So over there what actually happens? It's being represented by such sign. Symbol of cell is like this. Okay, and you must have seen cell also has got a positive terminal and a negative one. है ना, लिखा होता है वहाँ पे positive or negative. And normally a single cell is not used these days. Arrangement of 2 or 3 cells is being done. And whenever we connect 2 or more cells, then those are now not called as cell, they are now called as battery. Okay, and one cell positive end is connected to the negative end of the other cell. Okay, पॉजिटिव को पॉजिटिव से कनेक्ट होगा तो इलेक्ट्रिक करंट फ्लो नहीं होगा, करंट विल नॉट फ्लो थ्रू इट. यू हैव टू कनेक्ट पॉजिटिव एंड ऑफ वन सेल to the negative end of the other cell, then only current flows through the cells. Okay, so the first component of electric circuit is cell. You have to remember it has got positive and negative terminal. Convert when we connect 2 or more cells, and that is called as battery, and we have to connect positive terminal to the negative terminal. Okay, second one is switch. Okay, what is switch? You are knowing, हम बटन दबाते हैं तो क्या हो जाता है, फैन चालू हो जाता है. हम बटन को ऑफ करते हैं तो फैन ऑफ हो जाता है. वैसे ही ऑन करेंगे तो बल्ब ग्लो होगा, ऑफ करेंगे तो बल्ब ये होगा. So we are right now discussing about that switch here. Okay, if wire is disconnected, पर ये होगा क्या, बल्ब ग्लो होगा क्या? अगर उसका वायर हमने तोड़ दिया या डिस्कनेक्ट कर दिया तो will current flow through it? Will the bulb glow? No, the bulb will not glow. Why? Because it does not glow, because the circuit is broken now. वो circuit जो है वो टूट गया है, और उनके बीच कौन आ गया है अभी? थर्ड आ गया है, that is air. उनके बीच अभी कौन आ गया है? air. और air क्या है? insulator है. air is an insulator. Insulator means bad conductor of electricity. Okay, so when air comes, the current will not flow. That is why sometimes it happens that even though we put on the switch, the fan or bulb does not glow. Why? Because the circuit is broken. कुछ तो भी wires में disconnection हो जाता है, wire टूट जाती है, that is not connected properly, and therefore the circuit is said to be broken. Okay, इसीलिए circuit broken हो जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि the key is open. Okay, whenever we put the switch on, हम जब switch को on करते हैं तो circuit क्या हो जाता है? Close हो जाता है पूरा. ये देखो, this is closed circuit, join है. Okay, whenever I don't put on with this, now if there is a gap here, what happens now? Circuit is broken. Okay, so whenever put on the switch, the circuit is closed and then the current flows and bulb will glow. But whenever we put the button off, key off, so what will happen? The circuit will be open and current will not flow through it. Now third component of electric circuit is bulb. Bulb सभी ने देखा है. If you observe it minutely, what you will observe? There is a thin wire. अंदर में ऐसी एक हमें wire ऐसे, it's been connected there. If you will observe a bulb, okay, handle it carefully. If you are handling, okay, you will see a thin wire, and that thin wire is called as filament. Okay, this filament is made up of tungsten. It's been made up of tungsten. Okay, and if that filament is broken, अगर वो filament break हो जाती है, तो current will not flow through the bulb. Okay, and it will not glow, and at that time we say that the bulb is fused now. Okay, so the bulb will not glow. At that time we will say bulb is fused one. Next one is conducting wires. बिना wires के तो electric current flow ही नहीं होगा. We will require wires, conducting wires. Okay, all conductor will allow, all the good conductors will allow the electricity to flow through it. Now if we take, most of the time you must have seen that they are having inside, they are having copper wires. Why? Because they have less resistance and therefore they are used as conducting wires. Okay, bulb, cell, wires, switch, all this whatever we have discussed right now, all these are called as elements of electric circuit. They are called as elements of electric circuit. Okay, so what basically is electric circuit? Electric circuit is a continuous conducting path. It's a path, it's a road, it's a way. For what? For the electric current consisting of source of current such as bell and other elements. जो arrangement हमने बनाई है जहाँ पे continuous flow होगा electricity का, okay, that which includes these various elements, that is called as electric circuit. Okay, then there is a part called as circuit diagram. अभी हम अगर डायग्राम निकालने जाएंगे कि कैसे सर्किट बनाया है, तो what will happen? It will take lot of space for drawing. So what is being used? Symbols of such elements are being used. अलग अलग ये जो components जो दिए हैं उसके हम क्या करेंगे? सिंबल यूज करेंगे. जैसे मैंने बताया था, सेल का कंपोनेंट इज दिस. ओके, स्विच कंपोनेंट इज दिस. लाइकवाइज बल्ब could be shown like this. So whenever we are drawing circuit diagram, symbols are used, and then we can draw with the circuit diagram in a small space, and we can understand also very easily without reading ki what has been connected to what. That's all for today, children. Thank you.